I think one of the highlights of our shoot too was shooting this romantic scenes of a fashion couple together, a cowboy and a cowgirl and such. And it wasn't meant to be pure Western in feel. It was also meant to appeal to, all of Americana.
We wanted it to look like a beautiful, magical sunset scene, but sometimes that sun would come through the clouds and just cast a dark shadow on the one side of the face.
Sometimes we'd have hard blazing light, an hour before sunset, and then we would just lose all the light and the whole landscape would go flat.
When we brought the light mode of indirect on set, we could control that light. We could pretend like that's the sun and just move it just ever so slightly so it starts filling in that shadow.
We'd crank the power up on the ELV 400 packs and let that light kind of overpower in a soft kind of way. And as you get that octobanks close enough, it has some wrap around the talent that way. So we're able to work with just one light, moving it quickly, and get things that are just, in my mind, just stunning imagery. And I mean that just in the light quality. I can't really take credit for it. That's the light. That's the Elinchrom light doing the heavy lifting here and the modifiers.